Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change ringtone to favorite music on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you feel bored with the same old ringtones on your cell phone, don't need to be worried because you can make your favorite music into a ringtone. But disclaimer, you must have download your favorite music on your cell phone to be a ringtone. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu and then scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. And then now you can go to ringtone. And then now you can add your favorite music by click the plus icon. And then now you can add your favorite music and click done. And so yeah, the ringtone has changed to your favorite music. Alright guys, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.